Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for a visitor visa to Denmark. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I discuss in this video is totally based on my knowledge and research, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so and my intention is just to show you how to navigate through a service. The information, the entries I show in this video may or may not apply to you. Alright guys, so in front of you I have opened Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Denmark. Okay, so you have the option to register and log in. So if you are coming for the first time, you know you gotta register, right? So first name, last name, phone number, email, password. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this and I'm gonna create user. So once you are through that process, it sends an email to you where there's a link that you must click in order to activate your account, and after that you can log in here, and if you want to reset password, you have the option. Now I have logged in, so I can click on apply for visa. First page, are you applying for individual or group visa? You can apply for okay, so let's say individual, but do it as per your case. Then it asks about the location where you are submitting, so I'll just put a sample. Let's say I'll put, what are the options I have? I have this. Okay, I'll select this. Perfect. 18 years, yes. So I'm gonna click on next. Individual application. Alright, you need to read, understand, and click on next. It's not mandatory to, for you to fill all the application anytime. You can fill up to any extent, click on save, and then you can later on come back and do. But anyway, personal information, family name, surname, this is fine. Nationality, so I'm gonna put some general information here. Next is home address and contact information, so I'm just gonna put some sample. Parental responsibility, I just select this and click on next. Are you related to EU CH citizen or a UK national who is a withdrawal agreement beneficiary? I select no, but you gotta do as per your case. Occupation, do you work? I select no. Are you a student? I select no. Retired? I select no. Whatever is applicable in case, you do, because this is a sample, that's why I'm just putting minimum answers. Okay, so travel document, I'm just going to put some sample. Do you currently live, reside in a country other than your nationality? I select no. It's asking about the biometric for a Schengen visa, so I select no. Whatever is applicable in your case, do it. So now current travel plan, this is very important when you apply for Schengen visa, so be very careful. Then number of entries requested, other things have come, so I'm just going to put some sample. This, so I just select this. Whatever is applicable in your case, you're going to select. Invitation, so whatever is applicable in your case, you got to do it. So if I select no, then it is asking for the name of hotel, address and all, so I'm just going to put some sample. Next is cost of traveling and living. Okay, I select this. Cash, credit cards. Okay, and I click on next. In addition, I select no. Whatever is applicable in your case. The summary page, it's also saying where you are going to submit, and you can go to the payment page. Okay, if but you need to verify, and if any changes are required, click on edit and make the change before you submit the application. So let's go to the payment page. Here you can see the fee. Now after this, when you go to the payment, your application is submitted, so I won't go for that, but let's see the process in VFS after you are done through this. So we'll click on this. Visa type you already identified. Begin your application. Online application form. Okay, then you got to book an appointment here on VFS. Once you filled your application online, paid the fee, please print the cover letter and payment fee receipt. Okay, that you do. Submitting application. Okay, visit the visa application, you will have to submit here. Okay, along with the documents. Okay, you will get the checklist over there after this, and then I mean, after submitting online, you can check the checklist, what documents you need, you carry your checklist and all, and then you can go over there. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thank you.